Hi everyone, welcome to Gigi's Creation. So for today's project, we are going to make these planters. But before we start our project, let's go for our intro. So again, like always, I'm going to use this empty container. It's a plastic container that is supposed to be thrown away. And I use this contact paper to cover it. And you know, this contact paper is my leftover from the table that I made on my last project. And now this chicken powder tin or can, I will do the same. You see guys, like what I always say, we can reuse or recycle our garbage or rubbish by just painting, sticking something like this one, contact paper. You can do even newspaper in whatever a cloth, you know, material that you don't use anymore. Just use a bit of your imagination and you can make a very beautiful home decor. I'm just trying to do this properly so that the bubbles doesn't stick around, and I just cut a bit on the edge of this so that I can fold it. I mean, it doesn't need to be perfect guys, because this one is gonna be at the bottom part. So just make sure to, you know, there's no contact paper that is sticking out, because it's gonna be covered anyway with twine later on. So yeah, see, it's done. It's nice and smooth, and it looks kind of high-end. It's because of the color of the contact paper. You see, as you can see, the bubbles is coming out because I cannot really press this properly because the plastic is not too sturdy. But that's okay, because we're just gonna put some faux flowers anyway. So what I'm doing now is I'm trying to stick some twine all around. I do it 3 times at the bottom. Okay. As you can see, I will not show you the whole process guys. I'm just giving you this idea, right? You can do other stuff. You can cut some cloth and just wrap it around the bottom or the, you know, the top part. So yeah, I just do this 3 times. You know, glue it around the circle. As you can see, it's just 3 times. See? It's quite nice. This looks like so high-end. It's because of the, as you know guys, nowadays is the trend now is more on a farmhouse kind of decor. So I'm not really into the farmhouse before, but you know, now as I go older, I'm becoming like, you know, like the old days. You know, when I was young, I used to have all this in my grandma's house. You know, they are all used, you know, like the settee or sofa. It used to be, you know, made of wood, this color, the table and everything. So it reminds me of my younger days. So anyway, I keep doing 3 times again, and I will do it for the 3 projects. Okay, it is very, very easy guys. But you know, sometimes we need some ideas to be able to do things, right? The thing is, I got lots of ideas is because I like crafting and I like decorating the house. That's really my favorite. Even when I was a young age, I always like to stay home, make the house nice, clean the house and everything. So that's the reason now, since I'm not working anymore and my son is a grown up, so I have plenty of time to do things that I really like now. This always been my passion in life, crafting, making things, especially making things from garbage or rubbish. You know, it's really my accomplishment if I can make something out of the things that we're supposed to thrown away, then you know it is really an accomplishment for me. It's just like this one, the chicken powder can. I don't know, I think that one is a noodles tin or container, and instead of throwing it away, I just kept it aside. And since I have the leftover of that contact paper from my DIY center table, so again, like what I said, I don't throw things away if I can, and I just recycle them or reuse them. And in this case, we can have a beautiful decoration. At the same time, we can save the planet by saving instead of dumping in the dump site. Okay, it's done. And I will do the same in the small little can. There you go. And I do this one as well. I'm sorry guys, my voice is a bit funny because I think I got a bit of cold and I got a bit of sore throat, so okay, so this is the outcome guys. As you can see, it's really nice and very elegant look. So anyway, that's the wrap up of our project. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Bye bye.